Just be aware that this advertising that is running on YouTube, I have several sites, publishing.com. It's like two teenagers, and they have sort of classes online that sell you how to actually make your own book and sell it on Amazon. So that's the whole story. And maybe you are going to use artificial intelligence to make your book. It's about two themes. Mike Michelson. They are basically selling you get rich quick and that scam scheme. You find discussions on Reddit. Everybody says it's scam and lie, and it costs you thousands of dollars. And basically, all they are doing in those videos, classes, what they call them, is they are bragging about being rich. Others got rich, and basically that's the whole point. It's like hypnosis onto people who maybe are struggling in their life financially, and they are promising you the million basically. So my big grip with this is that I've seen this on YouTube. It's one of those ads that run before every video. YouTube has way too many scam ads. I'm aware they cannot really check everything, and I think they kind of did clean a bit the place lately, but I don't know. It's not okay. So they have several sites: gopublishing.com, publishing.com. Actually, they had other websites in the past, and they merged this to new rename websites, and it's not something new, but definitely is going to make you lose your money. And it's sad to see this running on YouTube, this kind of ads. I think YouTube should check things more than just throw them, give them access to just running ads on YouTube videos. And also, it seems these guys have been banned from Amazon itself. That's what one of the Reddit members is saying in one of these messages. I'm going to link you this in the comment section if you want to look at it in detail. Again, don't fall for this. These people are just basically lying machines. It's just incredible how some people these days they show you a pretty face. If you scroll down to look to their face, they are two twins to look very legitimate, and they are just feeding these scams. So be aware. And also, you can report these scams on YouTube. I do have videos on my channel to show how to report advertising on YouTube. Just maybe search on YouTube with Peppermint report ads or so.